So ever since I colored my hair, it's been a task to keep it moisturized. My ends especially are the driest parts. And Devon's hair, it can use some TLC too. So today we'll be showing our hair some love with Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. This hair mask is sulfate, paraben, phthalate, gluten, and cruelty-free, plus it's 100% vegan. It's nice, thick, and creamy in consistency and smells sweet and amazing. It conveniently comes with a bonus Tangle Tamer brush, which has a 2-tiered bristle technology that helps detangle hair with minimal to no breakage. Okay, so let's get this hair right. Okay, so let's talk about the smell real quick. Sweet yet subtle, and it smells just like figs and coconut. So after co-washing my hair, Devon's going to start applying the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask to my hair, starting from the very back and detangling as he goes. All right, so I'm gonna help him out a little bit because I know that my hair is on the thick side, so I'm gonna be concentrating that mask on my ends because it needs it the most. And I'm gonna use the Tangle Tamer to help detangle my hair. The mask is so slippery and it instantly moisturizes and softens my hair, as you can clearly see. So detangling isn't even a challenge for us. And if you know anything about natural hair, detangling can feel like a workout on wash days. So to really deep condition my hair, I'm gonna use a plastic cap. Now you see, he plays too much, but I'm gonna get him back, trust me. I'm gonna let that process for 10 minutes while I do Devon's hair. Now, I know some guys don't even bother deep conditioning, but honestly, they should, and you can always help them, ladies. I'm sure they'll appreciate it, and you can give them a little scalp massage while you're at it. So although Devon has very thick type 4 hair, this mask went through his hair so easily and literally just drank it all up. I could even finger detangle his hair. And like I told you, I was gonna get him back. And we'll let that sit for 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes is up, we're gonna rinse our hair, and as you can see, it's tangle free, it's hydrated, and it's super, super soft. So this is my hair, towel dried, product free, right out of the shower. It's so soft and moisturized and healthy feeling. Even my ends felt nice and smooth. Okay, now Devon's gonna have his first attempt at shingling my hair. Let's cross our fingers. No, he actually did a good job. So he's using the Coco and Eve Tangle Tamer to define and detangle my curls. And as you can see, it actually works. So he's gonna continue to define and detangle my curls until he's all done. And this is what we have so far. Not too shabby. He actually did a good job, and I think I can actually get used to this. Now it's Devon's turn. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the sides of his hair down, running my fingers quickly over the top of his hair. P.S. I see him do this in the morning and I'm kind of copying. But this actually makes his curls pop. Okay, so when our hair is 100% dry, this is what we have. Nice, soft, hydrated curls. There's nothing like a no-fuss wash day when your curls and your relationship is popping. Squad goals. Definitely gonna continue adding Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask to my weekly regimen, and I highly recommend that you do too. And of course, the information on Coco and Eve will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and put on your notifications and show some love in the comments down below. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.